actually show you people how I do harvest one of my best vegetable. This is what the Banwa people call ichi. This is what my tribe people eat. This is a specialty in my own village in Cameroon. The Banwa people in Fontem Lebialem division. You see, so this is what I will be harvesting today, and I just want to show you people how to harvest. Please, if you are new in my Facebook or in my YouTube, then I'll beg you, I'll plead with you to kindly like, comment, share, subscribe, follow, so that together all of us can join to actually showcase our passion for agriculture. Yes, we are talking about sustainability, and we want to use the food system as part of sustainability. So we have to, food is not only the taste, but we also have to do it in a more sustainable way. So I have all our own food, trying to make sure that we get a taste of our food, and we try also to contribute in growing the food and other things. So this is what I will be doing today, harvesting of Michi. Hope you have already subscribed or follow. Please kindly share so that others should join. So this is how you harvest chi. Actually, I planted this. It was not much that I planted, but it grew so well. So when you are harvesting, us the Banwa people, I'll show you how we do it in my village. You harvest only these meristematic stems like this. You see, when you harvest like this, you get this other soft stems. So you see, this is the way we harvest it. This is the part we eat. So you harvest only this part. So normally when I plant my vegetable like this, I first of all allow it to put fruit. So when I harvest the fruit, I tip the head, and I make sure I can harvest as much of this vegetable as possible, because if you don't tip the head and you don't eat this other part, it seems as if you just planted the pumpkin only for the pumpkin fruit. So I started harvesting in the morning and thought it wise to show it on camera, because one of my followers actually asked me that you told us that you used to harvest until the end of until November, but we have not seen you harvesting. Yes, it's not like I don't harvest. I harvest almost every day. There is no day I come behind my backyard without eating something. But then it is not everything that I do on camera. Sometimes I don't harvest to eat for the purpose of eating. But then, as I said, there is no day, no single day you will come to my backyard from April to beginning November without having something to eat. It does not exist. Every time you come behind my backyard, you will see something to eat. Except it is winter. You know, we are on the fall now. The autumn has set in, but then we can still harvest and eat. Harvest and eat. So you see the way I'm harvesting it. So this is how we'll harvest for today. This is how the harvesting will go on. You won't believe, behind this my house, there are actually just two seeds that I planted, one this way and one this way. And here is the product of those seeds. Keep harvesting vegetable. We keep harvesting. So you see my harvest for today. Can you see this? Can you see my harvest for today? This is what I'm harvesting, and I will stir fry and eat with fufu. Yes, the Bama people love eating this, and that's actually what I will do. Because today I'm going back not only to Africa, but I'm going to my village, Fontem Leba. So this is what we eat. It is a delicacy in my place, and that's why today is a special day that I will sit on the floor before eating. You know, that type of food that is very, very yummy and is so delicious and is so special in your life. Even when we travel, we don't want to be disconnected from our culture, from our food, because our food is our identity. We go everywhere with it. That's why when we travel, we go with seed and make sure we can plant and eat from our own backyard. So I'll continue harvesting. Harvest, 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 harvest. Thank you for coming along with me. I don't actually have somebody to make a video. That's why I don't know if you are seeing me, or maybe I'm very far. But at least you hear my voice talking. Listen. We keep harvesting. We keep harvesting. We just get the tip and one or two soft leaves that we'll eat. So this is it. I'm harvesting. I'll continue harvesting, making sure that I don't leave any of them here. I have given up on this garden. because ending September was too cold. So I just gave up, thinking that I won't be able to harvest again. But because of climate change, we can't really predict the weather. So it got cold and got warmer again, and the vegetables start coming up. So I will keep harvesting until winter set in. If it doesn't stop growing, I will stop harvesting. And I'm one of that type of a person. I don't uproot anything from my garden. So when the winter set in and everything stopped growing, I pick all the small leaves I eat. I just allow it to the next planting season. But this year I'm going to do something. I actually want to plant some winter vegetable because I want my backyard to have food all year round. So I want to change things around this year. So we keep harvesting. So from April to November, if you come behind in my backyard, there must be something you can eat. There must be something you can eat because I'm the queen of harvest and eat. I'm the queen of harvest and eat. I keep harvesting and eating as I go. And today I'm preparing something yummy. This is what we call yumilicious. Delicious. Yumilicious. Delicious. So I'm home today. I need to harvest and enjoy some pumpkin. I really need to go back to the village today and make sure I enjoy this pumpkin the way it should be. Isn't this wonderful? This is how life should be. This is what I grew up doing, growing my own food. Yes, I grew up in a household where 80% of our own food came from our farm. We cultivated it ourselves. And in that way, then you know what you are eating. You know where the food is coming from. This is what we call real food. This is actually what we call real food. So keep harvesting. So long as they are growing, I will be eating. So next year, what I will do is, after seeing how successful this vegetable is behind my backyard, next year I will try to grow more of this vegetable. Even though I don't have space, I planted 2 seeds last year, and I'm really harvesting much vegetable and also pumpkin. So next year, what I will do is I'll put like 5 seeds and see how it goes. One thing I love about my backyard is that I have vegetables at all time. I will keep eating these fresh ones. I've put some in the freezer, but I always like to eat the one that is fresh. The one that is in the freezer, anything that goes to the freezer, I will wait until this winter period when I can't regrow anything. So apart from that, anything I harvest go directly into the pot and I eat it same day. Can you see this? See how this will be yummy yummy. Today will be yummy yummy. Today will be yummy yummy. So I hope you can see me. I keep harvesting. I keep harvesting. This is much food. This is much food, and I'm so happy to be able to have this small backyard where I can grow my own tribe's food. You know, my own tribe food. Food is not just something that you eat to grow, but you have to enjoy it. You really have to enjoy it, and to be able to enjoy the food that you are eating, it should be something you like, something you really want to. You know, and who doesn't like his native food? Who will not like his or her own native food? So that's why today will be very special because I will be eating my native food from my village. This is not only a Cameroon food, but it is the food of the Bamwa people. I'll stir fry it and enjoy it. And today I'll make a video on how I stir fry it because others can also do it, cook it, and eat and enjoy and remember this video. That yes, I saw it in this video how to prepare this pumpkin leaf, and I will raise it on the table and enjoy on camera. Yes, 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 yes. Can you see that? Can you see my vegetable? This is my veggies that I just harvested. A whole basket from 2 seeds. 2 seeds only. Look at what I'm harvesting. This is not the first time. This is the fourth time I've harvested a basket of pumpkin stems, the soft stems, the meristematic stems of pumpkin from my own backyard. What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Go out and start a garden. If you don't have a small space like me, please use even old cupboard. All this one are old furnitures from my house. You can see this one is even an old table. All the old tires from the car, everything is being used in this backyard. Please start a garden today. Start a garden. Look at my veggies. Okay, now let me shock you. This will be a shocker. Let me show you how I harvest